So welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with another interesting question today. So in the figure, we have two right triangles sharing a common base, that is the side PQ. The measure of some of the sides are given, like RQ is equal to 10 units, SQ is equal to 2 units, and PR is equal to 5 units. We are asked to find the area of this shaded region. So first of all, let us focus on this triangle PRQ. Let me draw it separately for you. So this is the point R, this P, Q, PR is 5, this RQ is 10, and PQ is unknown. So using Pythagorean theorem, we can compute the measure of side PQ, and this will be equal to square root of 10 square plus 5 square. So this will be square root of 100 plus 25, that means 125. Moving ahead, similarly, let us focus on the right triangle PQS. Let me draw this triangle outside separately for you. This is S, this point is Q, this point is P. So here SQ is 2 units, PQ we just found out, that is square root of 125. Here PS is unknown, so side PS will be equal to square root of square of PQ, that is 125, minus square of 2, that is 4. So this will be square root of 121 or 11 units. Now let us name these three triangles as 1, 2 and 3. So area of triangle 1 plus triangle 2 will be equal to, if we see this triangle, this will be half times 10 times 5, that means 25. Area of second triangle plus third triangle will be equal to, so let us see this triangle. So this will be half times 2 times this length PS, which we found as 11 units here. So this will be 11. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and it will be 11 units. Now we have two equations. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So let us subtract 2 from 1. So this will be 1 minus 3 equals 25 minus 11. This 2 will get cancelled because we are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So here we will get area of this first triangle minus area of this third triangle equals 14 units. Now let us compare these two triangles, the first and the third triangle. So here this angle is 90 degree, here this angle is 90 degree. These two angles are vertically opposite angle, so they must be equal. So by angle similarity, we can say that triangle PRT is similar to triangle QST. Now we know a property of similar triangles, that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So from here we can write that area of first triangle upon area of third triangle is equal to ratio of square of corresponding sides. So we can write PR upon QS. So we can substitute the values next. So this will be 5 upon 2 whole square. This will be equal to 25 upon 4. So from here we will get 4 times first area is equal to 25 times the third area. Or we can say that the area of first triangle is equal to 25 divided by 4 times the area of third triangle. Now we can substitute this value in this equation. So in place of this area of first triangle, we can write 25 by 4 times the area of third triangle minus third triangle is equal to 14. We can take outside common. So this will be 25 by 4 minus 1 equals 14. So this will be area of third triangle multiplied with 21 upon 4 equals 14. So area of third triangle can be written as 14 multiplied with 4 divided by 21. Let us cancel this by 7. So 3 times, 2 times. So this will be 8 by 3. So area of this third triangle is 8 by 3 square units. Now we have already found that area of this second plus third triangle is equal to 11 units. So we can substitute 8 by 3 here in place of area of third triangle, and then we will get the area of this second triangle. So directly we can write that area of this second triangle equals 11 minus the area of this third triangle, which we found as 8 upon 3. So 8 by 3. So this will be 33 minus 8 upon 3, that is 25 upon 3. So the area of this second triangle or the area of this shaded triangle is nothing but 25 upon 3 square units. So if you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.